For me, working from the office means more efficient teamwork. And let's not forget foosball during coffee breaks.
Working from the office makes me feel less isolated and more connected with my teammates.
I work from the office because of the fantastic atmosphere and great tech conditions. Also, our office is so comfy, it makes me feel at home.
I prefer office work because I truly enjoy spending time with my colleagues. Plus, I'm more productive here.
I choose to work from the office because it helps me focus on my tasks more efficiently and my work-life balance is much better.
I choose office work because I like to separate my personal and professional space. Foosball during breaks is a nice add-on.